AI can be overwhelming, threatening for most. And the impression is that I will have to lose my people. But no, we don't. We're just letting our people focus on their core competency. A lot of things that are done by AI, it's more on processing of information, summarizing the data, giving us good research. But the kind of care, and I support both MB by saying humans for care. The rest, give it to AI. So the mindset should be on innovation, and of course basic is addressing the gaps, no. First, prioritize what you want to do for your clients and how you can be a lot different from competition, because when I look at the market, I don't look at the price. It's not about discounts, it's about giving more value to the clients. So a leader must be able to adapt, and the new trend is on AI. And if we don't take advantage of it, then we will be left behind.